Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the HP Victus 15 FA2013DX, a mid-range gaming laptop that promises solid performance for gamers, students, and creators. The HP Victus 15 is powered by the Intel Core i5-13420H, a 13th gen processor with 8 cores and 12 threads, boosting up to 4.6 GHz. In real-world use, this CPU handles everyday tasks effortlessly, smooth multitasking, gaming and light content creation without lag. For a laptop in this price range, the performance is very impressive. For graphics, we get the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 6GB GDDR6 RAM. This GPU is capable of running popular esports titles like Valorant, CS2, Fortnite at high settings, AAA games like GTA 5, Cyberpunk 2077, and Red Dead Redemption 2 on medium to high settings. Plus, RTX features like DLSS and ray tracing give you better visuals and smoother gameplay when supported. Connectivity. Ports include USB Type-C with DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.1, USB Type-A, RJ45 Ethernet, SD card reader. You also get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and stable wireless connectivity. Backlit white keyboard with numpad. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with 144 Hz refresh rate, 9 milliseconds response time, anti-glare coating. This makes gameplay feel smooth and responsive. However, brightness is 250 nits and color coverage is 45% NTSC, which is okay for gaming but not ideal for professional color editing. Out of the box, it comes with 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, upgradable up to 64GB. 512GB PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD. Boot times are fast, apps load quickly, and upgrading RAM later is highly recommended for better gaming performance. Out of the box, it comes with 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, upgradable up to 64GB. 512GB PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD. Boot times are fast, apps load quickly, and upgrading RAM later is highly recommended for better gaming performance. Audio by Bang & Olufsen with dual speakers gives loud and clear sound. 720p HD camera with noise reduction is decent for online classes and meetings. Battery and design. The 52.5 Wh battery supports fast charging, up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Don't expect all-day gaming, but for normal use, it's respectable. Design-wise, mica silver finish. Clean and modern look. At 2.29 kilograms, it's not ultralight, but still portable for a gaming laptop.